Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to Therapy Kingdom. Today we are going to talk about a tiny but mighty gland that plays a huge role in overall health, the thyroid gland. So without any further delay, let's start the video. The thyroid is the butterfly-shaped gland in your neck. This gland produces hormones that regulate your body energy use, along with many important functions. A gland located beneath the larynx, voice box that makes thyroid hormone and calcitonin. The thyroid helps regulate growth and metabolism. There are two types of thyroid disease: hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid, and hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid. But they each have several conditions that can cause them. So, hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a disorder of the endocrine system in which the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormones. It can cause a number of symptoms such as poor ability to tolerate cold, extreme fatigue, muscle ache, constipation, slow heart rate, depression, and weight gain. What is the main cause of hypothyroidism? Not enough iodine. Too little iodine can lead to hypothyroidism. Too much iodine can make hypothyroidism worse in people who already have the condition. What are the early symptoms of hypothyroidism? Hard stools or constipation. Feeling cold, for example, wearing a sweater when others are wearing t-shirts. Fatigue or feeling slow down. Heavier and irregular menstrual periods in female. Joints or muscle pain. Paleness or dry skin. Sadness or depression. Thin, brittle hair or fingernails. What is the treatment of hypothyroidism? An underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism is usually treated by taking daily hormone replacement tablets called levothyroxine. Levothyroxine replaces the thyroxine hormone which your thyroid does not make enough of. You will initially have regular blood tests until the correct dose of levothyroxine is reached. Diagnosis of hypothyroidism. The first blood test is typically done to diagnose hypothyroidism, measures the level of thyroid stimulating hormone TSH in the blood. If it's high, the test is done again, along with the blood test for the thyroid hormone T4. If the result shows that TSH is high and T4 is low, then the diagnosis is hypothyroidism. Now move to the hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is the condition that occurs due to the excessive production of thyroid hormone by the thyroid gland. Thyrotoxicosis is the condition that occurs due to the excessive thyroid hormone of any cause and therefore include hyperthyroidism. Some, however, use the term interchangeably. What is the cause of hyperthyroidism? Many diseases and conditions can cause hyperthyroidism, including Graves' disease, most common cause of the hyperthyroidism. Inflammation of the thyroid due to the viral infection, some medicines are after pregnancy common. Taking too much thyroid hormones. What are the early symptoms of hyperthyroidism? A swelling in your neck caused by enlarged thyroid gland, goiter, an irregular or unusually fast heart rate, twitching or trembling, warm skin and excessive sweating, red palms of your hand, loose nails or raised itchy rash known as hives or trichia, patchy hair loss or thinning. How to diagnose hyperthyroidism? Blood tests. Blood tests are performed that measures the level of thyroid hormone T4 and T3, which must be high to make a diagnosis of hyperthyroidism. The level of thyroid stimulating hormone also is measured. With hyperthyroidism, TSH is low while T4 and T3 levels are high. What is the best treatment for hyperthyroidism? Radioiodine therapy is a common and effective treatment for hyperthyroidism. It involves taking radioactive iodine by mouth as a capsule or liquid. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for being the part of the Therapy Kingdom. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe for more content.